Ka Coordination Committee of Register MECL Employee Association and Union kalong bakaloi bakandon ka jingtohkit ka bailoi halor ka jingkno tu boarding haki jaga badan ka karkhana ha Byrnihat ka CCORMAU kalong bakaya banjur banweng ya katanat company boarding elektrik no James K Sangma pat bantung the way chairman managing director ka MECL ubadai ka kardan additional chief secretary Kila pentip ru pakila pha da kaching tho show mentirang ba ka jalau konat ke sangma hak bola pentip ba kinong trei kin penlong ki jinghi na du ka pentrik yong lada kamdon ka jing jubab ya ka jing dawa ki jongki kinong trei ka MECL kila pen pau ba ki kwa ba kandon ka jing toket lai loi halo ka jing petari kam ya ka subhayak scheme ha ka jala
All these have created confusions and sense of insecurity among the employees. Moreover, the recent resignation of the independent director, MECL, the lone woman director on the board of MECL, Srimati L. Kharkongwar, which has been highlighted in the print and also in the electronics media, or let me say, it has been there in the public domain. She has cited displeasure over the way the board of directors has been functioning. And she has clearly mentioned that the haphazard way of functioning of the board of directors and the issue of monetization of the land of MECL, which could contravene with the Meghalaya Land Transfers Act 1971, being the reason for her resignation. We, as a body, appreciate her resolve, and we also salute her for strong will and integrity. These developments, as a consequence, has made the employees of MECL to lose confidence in the system of administration in MECL. Therefore, since the issues are very important and also very serious in nature, we have written a letter to the Chief Minister MECL, Chief Minister Meghalaya, requesting him to constitute an an independent inquiry into all the irregularities in MECL, and also we request the Chief Minister to kindly relieve the Minister in charge power from the power portfolio to facilitate a free and fair investigation. Further, we also request the Chief Minister to kindly intervene and also appoint an officer not below the rank of Additional Chief Secretary as Chairman cum Managing Director, because MECL being the largest public sector utility in the state. We would also like to announce that CCORMAU will resort to agitations if the government fail to address these demands within the 26th of April 2021. However, CCORMAU pray that such measures may be avoided and therefore request the honor of the Chief Minister to kindly intervene and take swift necessary action in the interest of MECL in particular and the state in general.
There has been a policy going on in the management, by the management, that during the lean period, part of December, January, February, March, April, power traders provide us power, and we return this power in the month of June, July, August during rainy season. There is no financial transaction. It is the energy. So that's why you will see on previous occasion there are no massive load shedding. Yes, load shedding is there because during lean period it's difficult, but not on a massive scale. Because why? We have this firm power banking or power swapping. But unfortunately, since December, this has been discontinued. This has been discontinued. So, when it has been discontinued, what happened? We have to buy power at real time. We have to buy power at real time because these power traders are not giving us power anymore. That's why you will see there is a load shedding, and almost from December till March, we are buying power at the range of rupees 20 to 80 lakhs per day. Per day. The Chairman cum Managing Director, MECL, is pleased to appoint Sri Manish Gupta as an advisor to the Chairman cum Managing Director, Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited, for a period of 1 year on pro bono basis. I think you all know what is the meaning of pro bono. Work undertaken without charges for the public good. So this consultant is not taking any charges. Manish Gupta. And here, Manish Gupta is an assistant manager of Arunachal Pradesh Power Corporation Private Limited, who is a power trader for us. And now you will see, yesterday the CMD has given a statement that we cannot buy power yesterday at the rate of, because it has touched ₹6 per unit. So there was a shutdown, load shedding during night time and even today. And here today he has mentioned that by considering the exam season and the ensuing GHATC election in Garo Hills, and in order to lessen the inconvenience to the general public, MECL has managed to arrange costly power from the energy market. Hence, there will be no load shedding from tomorrow. We thank our CMD that there will be no load shedding from tomorrow. But we have to buy this power at a high cost. And we have to buy this through this trader, Manish Gupta, Arunachal Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, who is also an advisor to our CMD. I am not alleging anything. You are all wise people. You can end up. And because of this power banking, power swapping, we had to face this now. And maybe for tomorrow, energy, we have to pay not less than 1 crore per day.